How's it going, guys? Here I've got my longer LK4 3D printers, and I've been using them for I think about a month now. I did get some replacement bolts for the one that came without any bolts for assembly in the package, and so they did, I guess, help me out with that, even though there was, I don't know, a little bit of negligence in packing and stuff. But I did get that replaced, and they gave me the exact bolts I needed. I also have some glass beds on them now, which are really nice. The blue painter's tape works pretty well on those, and it sticks nicely, and the PETG that I've been using to print is working well. So just want to do a quick update on that they are actually performing pretty well. I've had them about a month now, and I'm very happy, I'd say. They are a little bit unbalanced. I guess I don't want to wiggle it right now. But yeah, so anyway, thanks you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.